Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen, and today to share with you my experience with this great awesome screen projector, well, floor screen projector from VividStorm. This is the 100-inch model, but they have different sizes from 72 to 150 on this particular model. I will leave a link down below.
Why you gotta play me? I probably want the same thing. Tell me why you faking, cause ain't nobody making you big. You want my body, but not my mind. So used to this face shit all of the time. Wish you could see that it's hard to find. Understand how it feels just one time. Always put me down when you have a finger pointing at me.
Video is sponsored by the new Dodgy V20 Dual 5G with a 3-camera setup, a 64 megapixel main lens, 8 megapixel wide angle lens, a 20 megapixel night vision lens, and a 16 megapixel selfie camera on a 6.43 AMOLED display with a 2K resolution, taking rugged photography to the next level. I will leave a link down below. Now, in terms of the packaging itself, expect a large package, 2.5 meters more or less, but the unboxing experience I did share on my Portuguese Instagram account, it was just awesome. Now, everything comes really well protected, so if you are worried about ordering something like this, don't be, because VividStorm did a great job in packaging these units, so no issues right away. And as you can see by some images, everything comes really well protected. Inside the package we will find the floor screen projector. It will bring 2 remote controls. One is black and the other one more whitish, and it also comes with a quick user guide or a manual power cable so that we can plug into our outlets, and of course also a wireless trigger. And I said of course, why did I say of course? The wireless trigger basically will allow us to connect the floor screen projector to a projector, so that when we turn one on, it will automatically push the projector screen up, and when we turn off, it will push it down. So that is a cool feature. Now, in terms of the installation, it's really easy. Just put it near a wall or wherever you want to install it, and bam, that is it. Put the power cable, turn it on, and then with the remote press the upper button and it will be ready to use. The installation is that easy. Now, it comes with some screws, and at the bottom it has 4, actually it has more than 4 feet, I didn't count, but probably 6, that we can just move sideways, and then we can attach the feet with some screws to the floor. So if we want to really secure it, we just need to drill a hole and then secure it. I would suggest that if we want to use it as a home setup, I wouldn't put them on a wall, because I don't see that many people passing through that could damage the thing. But if it is on a public place, then probably the best scenario is that. Now, on the manual also refers that there is an option, and we can order from VividStorm website, that we can put it on a wall. So let's imagine that you have a furniture on up to here, something like that, and if you want to put it on top of the furniture but on the wall, not on the furniture itself, then we can do that, and that's a great option. Now, in terms of the build quality, it is really solid. Everything is well built, metallic enclosure, and if we take a look at the back, we will see 2 huge arms, really strong arms, that will push the screen projector up and down. So it's not a cheap thing. It is really well constructed, and honestly, for the price that it costs, it's not expensive. Of course, you will need to be serious about your cinema setup. Now, the way that it works, it's really easy. With the remote control, we just need to press the arrow up if we want to put it up, and press the arrow down if we want to put it down. Basically, that is it. It also has a stop button, but we don't need to use it because it will stretch up to the top and it will just go down. I'm testing out a new projector right over here, which is the Pixthink M1 Mini, and this is a great projector for the price that it costs. But when I said a few seconds ago, if you are really serious about your cinema setup, then this is a great add-on, but I would suggest a better projector in terms of lumens, in terms of the video quality, to do a great match with this screen projector right over here. Nonetheless, if you can get a budget projector working great with this screen, you can get any projector. And testing out the PixThink M1 Mini, the experience was really nice. It is a silent projector, it has 1080 with built-in speakers, which is really nice, but I will share more details with you on the review. What I can say is that I did test out a few lighting conditions right over here, and I did find a balance, but that will go for the next video. One of the things that you might ask, okay Robert, but you have a gray wall right over there, why don't you use it without the screen protector? I did that in the past several times, but every time that I do test a screen projector, and I do have one on that wall, it is a screen projector that comes out of the ceiling to the floor. It's the opposite of this one right over here, and the reason is the same, because the darker the wall is, the less quality we will have in terms of image, and with the screen projector we will have a lot more brightness, the images look like they pop up, and honestly I cannot show you on camera exactly what I see with my eyes. Another thing that I can't show you is exactly the lighting conditions, because when we are with full lights you look at the camera and you don't see anything, but the truth is that with my eyes I can see it, and I can see it even better when using the screen projector instead of the wall. So in conclusion, guys, what I can say is that I'm really happy with the whole experience, starting with the packaging, the unboxing, and then the setting it up and using it. Really awesome. Would I suggest this to everyone? I would, but I do believe that this as a target audience is for those that take really serious their cinema setup. Doesn't matter if it's their main living room with a clean setup such as this one, which looks awesome, or something dedicated like a cinema setup, similar to what I've got here on my cinema setup. That being said, if the video was helpful in some way, don't forget the usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, Jorge, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.